Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a nice trick to improve your workflow when you are updating the current option parameter. You know that the current option parameters is this part of the spreadsheet below yellow header, mainly the current price, the current margin requirement and the current delta. Now it is a little bit annoying, as it was mentioned by Dwayne, one of our users, that you have to scroll regularly back and forth to the left and to the right in order to be sure that you are working on the right row. Now, how can we solve this? Well, there is a solution that is available in spreadsheets, as well in Google Sheets as in Microsoft Excel, and that is by freezing rows. Here in the view, you can actually freeze rows and you can actually freeze columns. So let's try and do this. So if I go back here, I will make a selection of the columns that I want to keep fixed while I am scrolling to the right. So let's say I want to see all this data up until this column, let's say strategy description. So if I will go now here to view and I will try to freeze it up to column N, you will get a message that there is a problem. Actually, you cannot freeze columns which contain parts of a merged cell. And that is actually the case here. I have created a merged cell for this title to center it a little bit in the middle of the screen, but the column N is also part of this merged field, so I need to undo that first. So with this field selected, I will unmerge it first. Next, what I can do is just to put it a little bit more back into the center, I will select up until M14, the field M14, and I will remerge. And now the column N is free of the merge, and now I can go back here to view. I can select freeze and up to column N. And as you can see, you get a band here indicating that the left part is frozen and that when you scroll to the right, you have a moving part of the spreadsheet on the right hand side of the gray bar. So that is a good solution for people who do not have a very wide desktop screen, and that you can easily scroll back and forth and be sure that you're working on the right row. So thank you, Dwayne, for giving that remark, and I'm sure that this will improve the workflow of a lot of users when they are updating the current option parameters. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.